It's time for another episode of What I Wore This Week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley Park. This is Park Avenue and I have tons of fashion content. If you love outfit ideas, unboxing, styling videos, lifestyle content, I've got something for you. Check out some of my other videos, and when you find something you like, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell because I upload multiple times a week and I don't want you to miss a thing. For this week's outfits, I have a good mix for you guys. You can wear these on the weekend and you can also transition anything you need to mix and change out to be able to adapt it for the office. So I am excited to share these looks with you, and I also have a couple of really creamy looks. I've been really into like winter whites and those lighter colors, and I am styling my new Loewe puzzle bag that I'm absolutely over the moon and obsessed about. I think it's just such a gorgeous color, and it just fits in that whole creamy kick that I'm on right now. And if you did miss the unboxing, my initial review of that bag, then I will link to that video. Be sure to check it out. And before we jump into these looks, I do want to share with you guys my new jewelry pieces that I just got in from Ana Luisa. This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, and by this time you guys already know how I feel about Ana Luisa. The pieces are super cute and they are super affordable. Right now they are having their biggest sale ever. Their holiday sale is buy one get one 60% off. That is huge, and now is the perfect time to get a couple pieces for yourself and the gifts, any last minute gifts, any gifts that you have been missing out on, you're not sure what to get people. This is the perfect opportunity. You guys can get everything you need from Ana Luisa's site: earrings, necklaces, rings. And speaking of rings, you guys have seen me wearing this ring a lot. Right now I'm wearing my favorite ring from Ana Luisa, but if you've been watching my channel for the last, I don't know, a couple weeks or so, then you've seen this ring in a lot of my videos because I'm pretty obsessed with it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This ring has a really nice pop of green, and I've really been into it. It just adds that little something extra to my outfits. And you guys know that green necklace that I got from Ana Luisa, it's a different shade of green, and this one is a little bit deeper. This green just really pops. It almost like jumps off my hand. It's just so beautiful, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. You guys have been DMing me about it, and so now I am sharing it on YouTube. This ring is so cute. And I got it big enough to fit my first finger, but you could get it small enough to fit your pinky if you wanted to. It's a signet ring, so you have the option of being able to do that. You can do that with any ring, really, but I think it is really nice, these sorts of signet rings, to be styled on the pinky or, you know, the first finger like I'm doing here. I love how substantial this ring is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And people definitely look at it. When I'm out, I notice people like glancing down at it. I think it's really pretty. So I love that. And then I also got a couple of necklaces. This first necklace I want to show you is a gorgeous chain, like a link necklace, and it's beautiful. What's great about this necklace is that you can wear it kind of like a lariat. So you can wear it just as a regular chain, but you could also have a little bit of a dangle happening. And I think that's really cute. The option to be able to do that is great because when you are layering up your necklaces, it just adds to the look in a really nice way. And what I've also done with this necklace is wear it as a bracelet. It's actually really cute that way. Now, this might depend on the size of your wrist. I don't know if this is gonna work for everyone, but I just literally wrapped it around my arm a couple times, and then I had this additional piece just like dangling, and I personally love that. It's like a charm bracelet. It's beautiful, and I definitely recommend this one. It looks great layered up, but it also is substantial enough that you can wear it alone and it looks really great. And then I also picked up this heart necklace. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love hearts a lot, and I have one from Ana Luisa that's more like a 3D heart, and this one is flat, so it lays really nicely against the neckline. Of course, it looks great with open neck tops. Gorgeous, and it also looks really great layered with other pieces. So I'm a huge fan of doing that with Ana Luisa's pieces because they're so affordable, and right now they're doing their holiday event, so you're getting buy one get one 60% off. So it's the perfect time to just get a couple of necklaces and a couple of bracelets and a few rings and really layer it up. That's such a good look, and I'm telling you guys, you're going to love it. And the last piece I want to show you guys are my earrings. These pearl hoop earrings are absolutely beautiful. My favorite is a pearl. I love the combination of pearl with gold, and Ana Luisa did a really great job with these. They're not too big. They're really nice size, and they definitely stand out. I love how they look with my hair up. Really beautiful. So I definitely recommend these. They make a really great gift because a lot of ladies might want to add pearls to their collection. Maybe they don't have any already, and this is a nice way to introduce them to it. Or maybe they just love pearls. So these are going to be perfect for them as well. So no matter if you're shopping for yourself or other people, there is a lot to choose from on Ana Luisa's website. Make sure you guys check the description box because I will have a link straight to Ana Luisa's website so you can shop that buy one get one 60% off sale, which is amazing. And I'll be sure to list the name information of all the pieces that I showed you today. Now let's jump into the first outfit. Here's the first look that I have for you guys. And I'm wearing just an all black look here. I have on a cashmere turtleneck paired with my favorite Zara leggings and a pair of patent leather boots. These are by Paige, and every version of Paige patent leather boots that I have seen have been really great. So I'll link to some options for you guys. And then I just tied in that patent leather with my bag. This is a really old bag. I got this from Marshall's. I really like the style of it mostly, but since I'm so obsessed with patent leather, it just ties in really nicely with the shoes. And I like that added bit of, a different texture, that sheen and that shine of the patent leather is really nice against the cashmere black turtleneck and the Zara leggings. So it's nice to add those different elements to an outfit when you're doing monochrome. And then on top, I have a print here. This plaid blazer style coat is really great. I have a couple different colors I could play with the plaid. So whatever you have, you can just see what colors are in there and see what you want to pull out and do a monochrome look underneath. It doesn't have to be black. Let's say you have some blues running through it, maybe some browns. You can do a monochrome with those colors. That would be really great as well. So if you're just not sure, but you want to do something other than just like basic black, see what colors you have running through your plaids and just pull them out. It doesn't have to be a prominent color. It could be the smallest bit. And pull that out and it'll definitely make a nice statement and it'll pop. That's a really great idea if you want to try something other than maybe what you've been doing in the past. Here's the next look I have for you guys. And this look is a very casual, easy outfit. The blazer that I'm wearing is from Zara and it has some really strong shoulders and it's a really great olive green shade. Underneath, I'm wearing a long sleeve sculpting kind of a top. This is from Yummy. What I love about my Yummy pieces is that they make really great layering pieces. Mostly I wear them under blazers because I just wear blazers a lot, but I have layered the tanks under sweaters. And if you have a sweater that's not exactly uncomfortable, maybe just slightly scratchy, or if you just want to layer up just to have a little bit of warmth, then the Yummy pieces are really great for that. So I always recommend them to you guys for that reason. So I will link to them in the description box. And I also have a 20% off code if you want to pick up a few. And for jeans, I'm wearing these jeans that I got from Lulu's. I really like these. Now, one thing about these jeans is that they are slightly cropped. So if you're tall, this might not be the best option. So I will link to maybe a tall girl-friendly option for you guys that has a little bit of distressing. But I like that these are a really great wash. I like that wash a lot. And I do like a little bit of distressing. And I just threw on these straight leg jeans with a pair of my gold Sam Edelman loafers. You can do a mule here if you don't want to do a loafer. If you're wearing a different pair of jeans, maybe something that's just slightly longer, these are cropped. I wanted to do a boot, but the way that these fall, none of my boots exactly looked great with it. So that's why I went with a loafer, but I do really love the gold here because it also pulls out the gold in the buttons on my blazer. So it does tie everything together. And then I just threw on my Jacquemus handbag. I like this bag a lot because of how structured it is. The color is really great. And it's a really nice classic shape. Even though it is a trendy handbag, it's a nice classic shape. The price point on this bag is under $1,000, which is very rare nowadays for a handbag. So if you're interested or curious, I do like this bag and I do recommend it. So check it out. They have tons of colors. And they recently just released it with a longer strap that you can actually wear it sort of like a baguette style. And that's really cute. I'm actually considering it in maybe a pink. I saw they had it in green and I believe yellow. Definitely check the website. I'll link to what's available right now. I do believe that it is released and available. So I'll link to them if they are in the description box. So be sure to check there. I just think it's a cute handbag. The next look is super casual, but again, you can switch out the jeans and throw in a pair of slacks or maybe a pencil skirt or something like that if you need to wear it into the office. But this cardigan I'm wearing is from Everlane. Absolutely love it. I also have it in pink. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. What I love about this cardigan is that I can button it all the way down. There's no pulling or tugging. And if you guys want to see the video where I shared this and some other Everlane pieces, I will link to it for you guys, but definitely recommend this one. And I love the way it feels. It's not itchy or scratchy. It's just really nice, and it's not too heavy or very thick, but you can layer under it with like maybe one of those yummy tank tops that I told you guys about earlier. You can definitely put something under it if you feel like you need to, or if you're gonna wear this maybe into the office and you wanna be a little bit more modest, that's fine as well. But I just recommend this a lot because I just think it's so cute. And then my jeans are Everlane as well. I like these. I wish I would have sized down 1 or 2 sizes. They're just a little bit big, but I still like them nonetheless. And sometimes I go for that, like slouchy jeans, like, you know, boyfriend kind of a jeans look. So it just depends on the occasion, your vibe, and all that. But I do love the wash on these jeans, and I just think that they have a really nice high rise. The fit is really great. It was just my error. I should have gotten 1 or 2 sizes smaller. And then on my feet, I'm wearing a pair of boots. These are by the brand Aloha's. These are the first time I've ever gotten anything from that brand. I really do like these boots a lot. They're comfortable, and I like that stripe of a different pattern going down the front. That snake pattern is just really cute. So I definitely recommend these as well if you can find them. I have been wanting to link to them, but they've been in and out of stock. They're very popular actually. So I am looking to add another version of this boot or a boot from this brand to my collection. So I'll link to what is available for you guys so you can check them out. They're comfortable and the heel is stacked. It's nice and thick. It's sturdy. I love that squared off toe. And I know many of you do as well because we talked about this before. So now is a great time. And it seems that a lot of the shoes this brand has a squared off toe. So you might find a favorite. You know, this might be a new favorite go-to boot brand for you. So check out what I'll link for you guys in the description box. Here we go, you guys. Now I'm styling up for you my Loewe puzzle bag. Love, love, love this outfit. The jacket that I'm wearing is from Banana Republic. This is a little bit older of an item, so I'll link to some similar pieces for you guys. But I just want you to get the overall idea. This cream colored jacket, the quilting, so good. And then underneath, I'm wearing a turtleneck from Lulu's. I love this turtleneck. I wish I would have gotten it in a couple other colors when I first got this turtleneck. I love this color in particular because this shade of brown can sometimes be, I don't know if it's like too yellow for me, or I'm not really sure what the undertone is that looks a little off for me, but this one works. And I don't know what it is, so I can't really explain it to you guys, but I don't know. If you guys remember a while back, I shared with you guys a couple of skirts that I got from J. Crew. And one was like, it wasn't exactly caramel, but it wasn't exactly, I don't know, like a burnt kind of a brown color. It just didn't work for me. Maybe it had too much yellow in it. It looks kind of off. I don't know how to explain it, you guys, but what I'm trying to get at is that this brown turtleneck is a really nice shade of brown, which I think will complement a lot of skin tone. So be sure to check it out if you are looking to add more chocolate into your wardrobe, which I am trying to do. This is a really good one. And the jeans that I'm wearing are from Good American. These are skinny jeans, which is like honestly kind of rare for me. I don't have very many pair of skinny jeans, but I do still find them to be necessary because I need to tuck them into my boots. And the boots here that I'm wearing are by Vince Camuto. I've shared these boots on Instagram. I've shared them in several videos, and you guys need to check these out while you can. I did get these in wide calf because I wanted to be able to tuck my jeans into them. A lot of times when I get like standard calf, they fit fine with tights or with my bare leg. But if I want to put jeans like tucked into them, I can't always do that with boots for some reason. So I just went up to wide calf and they fit really great. And I do have like that little bit of extra room, but it's nothing ridiculous or crazy. So, you know, consider that if that has been a problem for you in the past. But I really love these. I get compliments on them. They look really expensive, but they weren't very expensive at all. The heel is very comfortable. You could wear this to the office all day if you needed to. I have walked around the mall in these for, you know, a few hours and I didn't have any issues. So highly recommend these. They're so cute. And then of course I have on my Loewe puzzle bag, which I love. It complements the outfit really well. It's an easy handbag to carry. It's a really nice bag that fits a lot. So far, I'm really loving it, and I'm very happy with my decision. And if I didn't mention this already, if you want to see how it compares to other like white clothing pieces that I have in my collection, then I will link to the video where I did share the comparisons for you guys. Check it out because it's not a stark white. I did get a comment in another video. Someone thought maybe it was kind of beige, but it's not beige at all. It's definitely white, but it's like a creamier white. And it's not stark white, it's not beige, it's not weird or odd or off or anything like that. So just check out that video if you want to see some comparisons to other white pieces. But you can see hairstyle with my puffer coat that you can see kind of a subtle difference there. So anyway, this is a really great combination. I love this outfit a lot, and I would wear this to the mall. I'd wear this into an office if you work somewhere casual. When I went into the office, we could pretty much wear whatever we wanted. So this is an outfit I'd maybe wear like on a Friday, you know, maybe like a down day where they're wearing a lot of meetings, or definitely to lunch, brunch, something like that. This is a really comfortable, really elegant, like elevated look, but it's dressed down. Do you know what I'm saying? And for the last look, I want to show you guys, I just kept on the same jeans and the same boots, and I threw on this cream colored turtleneck. I really love this. This is from the Loft. This is something new I added to my collection recently, and I love the fit of it. I love the way these rib knits feel, and I recommend these because I also got a black one, which I love. So they're pretty consistent across the colors, and I'm now looking to add a couple other colors to my collection because I did see that they had more colors available, and I personally really love turtlenecks. You guys saw the last one that I just had on in the previous outfit. That's a turtleneck as well. And then I had in the first outfit a turtleneck on as well. So I just love turtlenecks. I think they're very elegant, and they just make really great layering pieces as well. And of course, they're just necessary as we're getting into those cooler months. So I love this. And then on top of the outfit, I have on a cream colored coat. This is from Zara. This is really old from Zara, but I love this creamy look. I just think all the colors and tones, they just work so well together. And then I have on my Loewe puzzle bag, which is a great addition to the look. What I hope to add to my wardrobe in the not so distant future is a coat from Max Mara, because they do such beautiful coats, and usually I can find those cascading collars in their collection. So I plan to upgrade some of my coats to Max Mara coats. I have a coat from Nordstrom that has a really great cascading collar, and it's also cashmere. If you guys want to see something like in a more caramel, like camel color, I'll link to that as well. It was on sale the last time I shared it with you guys, so definitely check it out. One thing to note about that coat from Nordstrom, there's no belt. I have styled it with my own leather belt. I don't tend to really close up my coats. I'm in and out of my car. But if you live somewhere where you would like to close your coat, then, you can add a belt, your own belt to it if you wanted to do that. But there are definitely some options out there, and I'll have them for you guys in the description box. And overall, I just am really happy with this look. I think it's between the last two for me as far as the favorite out of the bunch this week. It's going to be hard for me to pick because I've been really obsessed with, winter whites and these creamy colors. I just love them. And that's it for this week's outfits. Of course, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And before I let you go, it's time for today's Instagram shout out. And today I am shouting out AWA_own. And she wrote under one of my last photos, and she said, "You are gorgeous, but I also just want to plug on that mirror. Pray tell." Now, she's talking about my mirror that's in the background here. I'm looking at my monitor just to make sure I'm pointing in the right direction, but it's this mirror here. I get a lot of questions still about this mirror. It is from Anthropologie. I will link it for you guys in the description box. I have the largest size available in this mirror. Now, this mirror is pricey, but it's well worth the price. I'm so happy that I was able to get it because it's just beautiful. Every so often, they will do some sales on Anthropologie, so you might be able to get, a couple dollars off, but I just think it's worth every penny. And I have thought about adding different sizes around the house. I've seen other people have it as like a bathroom vanity mirror, and it's really beautiful, of course in a smaller size, but they're gorgeous. It's a showstopper. It is a piece. It looks great in a lot of different rooms. I've seen like other inspiration photos. I've seen it in people's dining rooms. I've seen it in people's bedrooms. It's a beautiful mirror. So check it out. I have it linked for you guys, and it comes in different sizes. And again, I have the largest size, but I'll make note of that for you guys in the description box. And if you guys want to check out some of these gorgeous jewelry pieces, I'll have them linked for you guys in the description box. Be sure to check out Ana Luisa and shop that buy one, get one 60% off sale. That's their biggest sale. And you guys, that is pretty huge. And the price point without the sale is really good. So take advantage now because you'll be able to get a lot more. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you have made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I would love to have you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.